We want to get you now to them. Danielle Moss and Melissa Nord with us. So, Melissa, where are we? Where do we stand right now?
Well, I will tell you, there's not one single model that I'm looking at that doesn't have a significant ice storm for Hall County. So, unfortunately, it is going to happen tonight in northeast Georgia. While we may not see as much ice accumulating in the metro as they're going to see in northeast Georgia, the road impacts are going to be widespread tomorrow morning. It's not just one part of the state dealing with the impacts. The whole North Georgia region will see those icy roads. Those outages will be greatest in northeast Georgia, but closures. We've been telling you about the school closures for Monday, church closures for tomorrow. I think a lot of things as they close down now will not open up again until Monday afternoon, or in northeast Georgia could be until Tuesday. So ice storm warning continues through the overnight through tomorrow as well. And ice storm warnings, you have to be really confident that at least 1/4 of an inch of ice will fall to issue that warning, and that's what the Weather Service is going. This is a really big winter storm. I mean, look at this map. We've got alerts on the map from the Four Corners all the way up to Maine, the border with Canada up there. That's over 2,000 miles of alert across. We haven't seen a winter storm with this long of a stretch of alerts in terms of winter weather advisories in 18 years. Big system. And we're already seeing the moisture starting to move into northwest Georgia, and meteorologist Danielle Moss paying close attention to those road temperatures, Danielle, because as those fall after sunset, those roads will turn icy.
Exactly. And I hate to be mythbusters because everyone has a little bit of doubt, and that's okay. Some of us like to live in denial, and that's all right. But let me show you a little bit about what we've been forecasting. We've been saying this storm's coming in from the west, and it's going to be coming through northwest Georgia first. As you can see, it is tracking. It's already coming in. Memphis has already seen its wintry weather. As we take a closer look here at home and even closer into northwest Georgia, we're starting to see that rain change over into that freezing rain. That temperature is going to play a large part in that. What you're looking at right now is a frozen camera on Lookout Mountain. Already frozen already, and the temperatures are still right on that cusp of freezing. Also, one thing to note, the road temperatures there as well. In northwest Georgia, right at I-75 North and Highway 2, it's 34 degrees. So in the next few hours, I'm sure those temperatures will be falling a little bit below freezing. And it's very important to note that even just 1/10 of an inch of ice could cause some really bad impacts. And really, Melissa, looking at that camera, we're not looking at a large accumulation of ice already, but I can't even imagine what that camera's going to look at when we're talking about 1/4 of an inch, because they're going to get it pretty bad there too, or maybe even 1/2 of an inch plus in northeast Georgia.
Absolutely. And that 1/2 inch of ice is expected in Hall County, in Helen, in Dahlonega as well. That's where the impacts are going to be most extreme. Here in the metro, 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch on the eastern side of the metro. And that will mean road impacts and even some power outages. You can see the temperatures falling. We've dropped another degree here, 2 degrees in the last hour in Charlotte. It's just 16 in Blacksburg. Watch the moisture coming in on forecast track. We're going to see it evolving between now and 10 o'clock. All of North Georgia is getting precipitation. As the temperatures fall, you'll transition from rain into freezing rain, and that freezing rain is lasting through the whole overnight into tomorrow morning. Now, tomorrow afternoon, a couple of us may warm up. We'll talk about that today at 5:30.